Hey, Kurt.
Hey,
So where are we at?
we're in Thang.
Did you ever think we was gonna make it here?
I did not.
It's pretty exciting, isn't it?
He's tearing up. It's cute.
This is the first movie of our trip to Nepal, from Khatmandu to Pokhara, Kalapani, Chile, now Thang. It's been one crazy adventure. Sleep, ride, eat, sleep, ride, eat. My first post of Nepal is a rather simple video. It's a chin mount GoPro. Today we rode from our hotel in Thang to visit ancient... Shut up, man. Today we drove from our hotel to visit a museum of cave dwellings, followed by visiting another monastery. The riding here is technical, it's exhilarating, it's dangerous, it's exhausting, but it's fun.
My time to write US American dollar.
It's a little bit harder with round rocks.
Thank you.